Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cellana finance token. Ticker symbol is Cella, C-E-L-L-A. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 5th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Cella finance token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Aptos blockchain. You can find it on aptosscan.com. Now, it was just announced that the Cellana token, don't get it confused with Solana. It almost sounds, I wonder if they did that on purpose, actually, because it's like Cellana, Solana, pretty close, right? Anyways, Cellana Finance, the Cella token, is being listed tomorrow, December 6th at 8 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section tomorrow and search CELLA, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on today on Mexc Global, there is a Kickstarter event where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT for this Kickstarter airdrop event. Now, Cellana, it's gonna sound like I'm saying Solana the whole video. Cellana is a community-owned decentralized exchange on the Aptos network that fosters decentralized finance growth through a sustainable liquidity incentives model. This innovative DEX is the first ever which uses the VE33 model in Move language. Now, there is a total supply of 1,049,797,377 Cella tokens. Now, their webpage is cellana.finance, and their document section, their full white paper, can be found at docs.cellana.finance. If you go to the webpage too, you're going to find all sorts of socials. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. It says their ambition is to become a vital liquidity pillar of the Aptos DeFi ecosystem. We strive to assist emerging protocols in bypassing initial liquidity obstacles while also supporting established protocols with a sustainable plan to stimulate liquidity at minimized costs. Our mission is straightforward. We plan to become a DeFi leader on Aptos by supporting DeFi growth through our innovative VE33 model. We envision Cellana as the first gateway for both fresh and established protocols that seek a groundbreaking liquidity incentive solution on Aptos. By achieving this, Cellana helps create added value for users and the entire ecosystem. Now, it says the V33 economic model tackles the obstacles of motivating liquidity providers and guaranteeing revenue for decentralized exchange governance token holders. Our groundbreaking strategy establishes a self-sufficient solution that effectively harmonizes incentives and rewards. A cutting-edge DEX adhering to the VE33 model represents an optimal platform for emerging projects to establish their liquidity pool. In a traditional DEX, if a project desires to bootstrap its LP, the pool must offer enticing incentives and the ability to receive a portion of token emissions from the DEX. However, the DEX retains complete control over token emissions and can introduce incentives to liquidity pools. Consequently, projects or protocols possess minimal to no authority in influencing the DEX. Hence, the VE33 DEX resolves this predicament by granting the community the autonomy to incorporate incentives and redirect token emissions. Now, traditional DEXs such as PancakeSwap and Uniswap encounter challenges regarding revenue distribution for protocol token holders and providing adequate incentives for liquidity providers. Trading fees frequently fail to entice liquidity providers, resulting in implementation of liquidity mining incentives that involve token emissions. Regrettably, the continuous emissions of tokens can significantly influence the token's price in the long run. Furthermore, protocol token holders need help diverting revenue from liquidity providers towards the DEX, as any such action would prompt more liquidity providers to withdraw, thereby diminishing overall liquidity and trade volumes. In a nutshell, the VE33 model solves these issues through a unique fee and incentive structure by directing all trading fees to voters, attracting liquidity providers with sell emissions, and empowering projects to add incentives into liquidity pools to attract voters, and voting power represents a share of token emissions. Now, the user flow providing a win-win solution for all parties, the VE33 framework ensures that the interests of all the participants in the Cellana finance ecosystem are aligned, and this encompasses voters, liquidity providers, traders, and protocols. New protocols have the flexibility to add any amount of incentives in order to attract voters to support their LP. And as a result, the liquidity pool will receive a portion of the Cell token emissions, thereby enhancing the depth of the liquidity pool. Cell holders have the option to lock their tokens for VE Cell and become voters on the Cellana platform. By becoming voters, users gain the ability to utilize their voting power to vote on liquidity pools, and this allows them to earn trading fees and the opportunity to receive additional incentives from the specific liquidity pool that they have voted on. Typically, voters are motivated to select liquidity pools that exhibit high trading volume or offer attractive incentives which maximizes their potential returns. Liquidity providers are frequently motivated to contribute liquidity to pools that offer the highest token emissions. And after supplying liquidity to specific pools, these providers are required to stake their LP tokens in the protocol gauge to qualify for Cell token emissions. So traders will enjoy low slippage rate thanks to the deeper liquidity pools. And in summary, the VE33 economic model offers mutually beneficial solutions for all parties involved, like projects and protocols that add incentives to bootstrap their liquidity pools and thus attract voters. Voters participate in voting for liquidity pools that offer high incentives. As the pool presents an appealing opportunity for Cell emissions, liquidity providers will contribute liquidity to the pool and stake their LP tokens, and a deep liquidity pool enables traders to swap for lower slippage. So this token here, you can check out all the information, big roadmap, all sorts of info on docs.cellana.finance, and you can find this token listed as of tomorrow on Mexc Global, so make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.